Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy stocks using Google Finance in a simple and easy way. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Finance website. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to create your own portfolio. To do this, click on the New Portfolio button and give your portfolio a name. After creating your portfolio, click on Add Investment. This option lets you add new stocks to your collection. You'll see a search bar appear. Type in the name of the stock you want to buy. Google Finance will instantly show a list of matching results. When you find the stock you're interested in, click on it to open its detailed view, which shows the current price, historical data, and key performance information. Next, enter the number of shares you want to purchase in the quantity field. Then, select the purchase date from the calendar pop-up. This helps Google Finance track your stock's performance from the day you bought it. Once everything looks good, click Save to confirm. Your selected stock will now be officially added to your Google Finance portfolio. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to buy and add stocks on Google Finance. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.